Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need for the Modular Streets Festival, which is going to happen on the 9th of May. So what you'll need to prepare is you'll need to collect mushrooms. You'll need to harvest mushrooms. So you will need to specifically harvest the oyster mushrooms as well as the shiitake mushrooms and truffles as well. I think you can harvest something else, but it's not out yet. So there will also be the trumpet mushroom, and there will also be an enoki mushroom, which I think is going to again come up when the event has started. So you're just going to want to harvest the mushrooms that are already here. So the locations for the oyster mushroom will be around on like the Onsen Mountain area, specifically like here. And then for the truffles, you'll see it at Forest Island. And then for shiitake mushrooms, it's going to be on Fishing Village. It's going to be at Fishing Village, sorry. And then okay, I'll insert like a picture here so you'll know like the mushrooms you need. And then for the fruits, it's basically just the fruits you harvest: apples, raspberries, blueberries, and oranges. And then for the fruits you grow, you'll need grapes, pineapple, and strawberries. And then I think later they're gonna give you like a cherry fruit to grow. Again, I'll insert like a picture for the like fruit shaved ice. And then for the ingredients, you will need to buy from Massimo the specific ingredients, which is the egg, butter, and oh, you also need to grow wheat. Sorry, you don't buy that from Massimo. You also need to grow wheat, but you'll need to purchase butter and egg. And then I think there's more you need to purchase, but it's going to be later when the event starts. So that is it. Just be prepared because I like to harvest things before the festival so that when the festival like arrives, it's like easier to harvest for the like other items that is new. Like for example like the enoki mushrooms or like the trumpet mushroom. I don't know. But yeah, so be prepared, buy everything, grow everything, and harvest everything. So I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.